Okay, so got my new one right there. That's what still warm. Warmed it back up to melt it down slightly. Still got a hole in there, but that's all right. I don't care. See, that fit in there. Perfect. See, it's nice and flush. A nice little gap. It's not touching the thing at all. Yep. So this will be solid bismuth after it's cast. This is just the cast 3D print for the cast. So yeah, it looks good. I'm just leaving it like this because the cap's a little bigger. It's easy to grab it. So yeah, I love it. So it's not doing very much in the plastic right now. That's not helping much at all. But yeah, even 2 chains, it slowed it down a little bit, but I still think it's probably the distance. But yeah. I don't know I've never even opened it to really look in there. But yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Very pretty. And then I got the light on. You see the bismuth. I got a couple crystals. I actually have a couple of them. These are one of my favorites. I made 3 of them from the same mother stone. So I had a bigger one, and I wanted to make 3 pieces from the same mother stone. That's what was important to me. And then I just filed it real good so it's not sharp and doesn't hurt you, so you can put it in your hand and it's nice and rounded edges. So yeah, I got a couple of them over here. I got this one. I need to, oops, piece fell off. Yeah, I like this one too. I love it when it's in the mother stone. That's when I like it. Yeah, I got a piece of quartz. Anyway, yeah. And I tried to break this in half, and it didn't want to do it. It didn't want to go. I tried it everywhere, and I was like, okay, fine. I was just gonna keep that one around since I have a giant brick. I have a giant brick of it, and I was thinking about I may alloy a little bit of lead with bismuth. I was thinking maybe 20% lead, 20-30% lead, maybe. I know there is a common alloy. I think the stability is like 56 or 57%, 58%, 58% bismuth to 42% lead, or 40 something, then 10. You could put 10 or silver. There's a lot of things you can do. I have some silver. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I want to buy some silver to alloy that in there, but it does help with the brittleness of bismuth, so I'll think about it. But yeah, I know lead will too, but then you got lead in it, so it's like, well. And then I thought, well, I could coat it. I could epoxy coat the thing, or I could polyurethane spray paint it to kind of give a little layer, so when you touch it, you're not really touching it, you're just touching the layer. But yeah, I don't know, but I'll think about it. I may go ahead and do the silver thing, and we'll see. I mean, because it's 1%, I think, is all you need. So it's the 1 or 2 coins. What is that? $20. I'll have to look into it and weigh it out. But anyway, just wanted to show you all this, because if any of y'all are interested in getting one of these, this is a good idea, man. And I think Lazar's, you can buy them, but they're expensive. They're like $120, $150 for one of these. And I love Lazar's little case, so I was like, well, I'm going to make something for it. And make it out of solid bismuth. That way it's non-toxic, and I like bismuth anyway. And I'm going to keep it all. It's not like I'm going to trash any of it or destroy it. All the lead and bismuth I have will be reused because it's forever. I mean, you just melt it down whenever you want to do something else. So, all right, peace.